Me and my friend with a combined net worth of 200 dirhams are here right now in Sharjah industrial area to feel rich. We currently have our entire net worth here, 100 dirhams each. The goal of this trip is to explore 3 categories: the automobile, electronic gadgets, and finally clothes. So let's start and see what we find.
Check kar.
The goal is to buy original stuff in cheap price. This is the place which I saw on YouTube that people are recommending to go to. So let's see what we find out. So I found this tripod. It looks really nice for phone and I record from phone for now. The quality looks pretty good and the price of it.
ये कितने का है?
My father used to have it back in the days.
So it's a good company.
It's like very old, outdated. Unless you want a nostalgic themed video.
Not 4K though.
4K is the weight, 4 kg. Bro, I think I should buy this. I can put my 100 dirhams in this and then, make all the 5 dirhams fly. Which one should I try? Choose one for me. Bro, I look like Travis Scott. Fiend! What do you think?
Travis Scott lied.
We are at his shop. Let's try some of the stuff that he has in it.
Market price sunglass 50 dirham, 60 dirham. This only 25, 20. This
Nice.
made in Italy for a rice sunglass. This Dior. This Armani. This Ferrari.
By the way, this looks nice. Should I buy it or no?
It's actually good.
How much? 20 dirhams?
50 dirham, no problem. 20, 50, no problem.
Free, no problem.
Boxers are 50 dirham, 50. This market price 150, 200. This only 50 dirham.
But this is not like original.
Master copy, must know original.
Okay, where do you get this stuff from?
This container coming
From?
from Bangladesh. This 50 dirham, 40 dirham. Sure. This 30 dirham. Back.
How much is this? Converse.
40 dirham. Rolex.
How much is this?
Cartier. This 50 dirham. This T-shirt 50 dirham.
No, but how much is this?
This 40.
40 dirham.
Oh, yeah.
40 dirham.
The original of this is about
This master copy. no
3,000
original.
dirham.
How much is this? Crocs?
This market price 60, 70. This only 25. Okay.
You have Blake?
Black.
Blake chahiye na?
Yeah,
Should I buy it?
good.
So this is my first purchase. How much?
20.
So we both are purchasing a pair of glasses each. So now we only have 80 dirhams left each. So my 47th subscriber.
Okay.
Congratulations, brother. 200 dirhams for you. Missed at least.
आपको वीडियो देखेगा आएगा तो 15 dirham को दे देगा ऐसे बताओ.
So use the. So come to this shop, tell them that Gotrap sent you, and you'll get 5 dirham discount with 1 free karak. Thank you. 40 dirhams swag. You see there are boxes around here. So all of these boxes and stuff come in containers from different countries and then they sell it here in this market. Can you please tell me how this works? I think you have to buy this and the second half is subscription or something online that you have to get.
This
Wait.
is free trial keyboard.
Yeah, this is just free trial. Only one side can be used. Brother, boss, where is the other half? What is this for?
Use.
Huh?
Use. Banana.
Juice. Okay.
How much?
It's 5 only.
Do you have ball?
How much? कितने का है?
Okay, we've got the ball. Whoever wins gets a 20 dirham bonus. It's over before it even started. 3, 2, 1, go.
Own goal.
Okay, I'm red team, he's blue. Yeah, okay.
ये कितने का?
50 का. कौन सा चाहिए?
So we are at an electronic shop right now for electronic gadgets. So I'm looking for a power bank because I don't know if you've seen our videos, but we go on a lot of adventures and we always record from my phone and my phone drains like this. क्या price है इसका? We'll buy it from here and then we'll sell it in Dubai Mall. 1200 dirhams. Chalo, we are done with my electronic gadget. Now it's Vagan's turn. Vagan, what are you buying?
I'm gonna get this
But-
to see how actually bad it is.
How much is it?
1000 dirham going on. Probably 50.
Okay, let's buy it. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Okay, guys, so we are done with the clothing and electronic gadgets. So far, we have spent 130 dirhams, out of which I have spent 60 dirhams, and Hassan Vagan has spent
70.
70.
Yeah.
Now, the last thing remaining was automobiles, but the thing is that the automobile market is closed on Friday, and it is Friday today. So let's see what we find and just finish our whole entire net worth for this month. So the actual price of a Stanley Cup is how much?
About 400. Yeah.
How much is this?
35.
35.
35.
I show slow. What, should I buy it or no?
Yeah, bro. It's easy foam runners in 20 dirham.
So how much final price?
How much you want?
40?
Okay, take it 40.
Yes, this one subscribe.
Okay.
Okay, you are now my 48th subscriber. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A DJ.
Tantana, tana, tana. Bro,
This is
what
the
do you
best
think?
music. Yeah, bro. Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Let's go. So he's saying it's for 150, but I don't think there's a actual Hercules product of this. Bro, there's a Mac Mini here. It's Intel i5 from 2014.
2014. Why did you not buy it?
Bro, I don't think it's gonna work and there's no way to check it. So I don't wanna waste the money on it.
But you still have to finish your money.
30 dirhams left. What do you wanna do with those 30 dirhams?
Let's get some chai or maybe eat something with the 30 dirhams. I don't know if you guys heard the song Mehram from Coke Studio. I've forgotten the chords now. Okay, so we are back in the car. Spent around 3 hours in the shop, explored every shop pretty much. I spent 100 dirhams and this guy, Hassan Vagan, only spent 70 dirhams because we pretty much we purchased everything we wanted and more. I want to review one thing. I don't know if you guys remember, we purchased AirPods Max. So let's see. The original price of it is 1800 dirhams, the original ones. This one is a fake one definitely, and we purchased it for 50 dirhams only.
Oh, there's a case. Oh, damn.
What? Are they comfortable?
Yeah, I mean, the weight and everything is good. Not bad at all.
For real?
Yeah, bro. Bro, they're actually good.
What would you rate them out of 10?
Bro, I would say 7 or 7.5.
No
For
way.
the price, I would say 10. Like, for this price, it's 10 on 10, bro. Bro, I would say they are actually better than the JBL ones that are for 100 dirhams.
No way.
So these are better than those. So I don't know about the battery. If it works for 3-4 hours, I think they're really worth the money.
Bro, for 50 dirhams, what else can you expect?
Yeah, bro, they're actually really good.
Bro, I think you got a good deal, honestly.
For 50 dirhams, these are the best headphones you could buy. Plus,
Nice.
it looks like real AirPods Max, so there's that too.
Okay, so in the description of this video, I will put the location of the place where we came. Anyway, we are done. Let's go eat something. So let's finish those 30 dirhams and end the video. Okay, let's go. We are going to the Lafa restaurant. This restaurant won the second number ranking in our videos for the shawarma that we were doing the series. Let's go there and eat some shawarma. Unfortunately, we could not record properly in Lafa because it was very crowded as usual. That was the end of it. We spent 200 dirhams, purchased stuff which would have cost us more than 500 dirhams easily if we had purchased it from anywhere else than that market. Thank you all for coming along. See you guys in the next video.